Hey guys, Trekkie Gamer MC here over Mars, here to show you how to post a video in VR to YouTube. Okay, today I will be posting a video in my place, because why not? Here is how you do it. First, you make your video. Boom. Be happy in Rec Room or something. Make sure you stop recording, and then make sure you can go into Files, and saves it. Okay? Now, once this is on, you go to Oculus browser. That's not it. That one. And open Google Drive. Boom, it's already open. Let me resize this. Okay. Now, all you need to do is hit New. Oh, cancel. Hit New. Hit File Upload. And choose your file. It should appear right here. And then you're good. It'll be on Google Drive, and then on your computer, pretend it's over here, type. It'll be on your Google Drive over there. Open Google Drive, and then you can download it. For this one, there we go. Then in the top right, you hit download. Then on your computer, you can open your editing software, and kaboom! You can edit it, post it to YouTube, and cha-ching! If you don't feel like any editing is needed, you can go on Oculus browser and just open YouTube Studio. I won't do that right now, though. That's it. Bye.